Welcome to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art. And in today's video, what I decided to do is use only stencils, pencils, and markers. So that means I am not going to use any paints. So this painting you see here, or rather drawing, is made just using pencils, stencils, and markers. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here. I have some art paper, and I am going to use some of these stencils I'm showing you. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started, and I will use a black pencil to draw my sketch. And once I finish sketching, I will go ahead and actually use a marker to reinforce the sketch. That way you can see it. That way it will be darker to see where or what type of sketch I have. So once that's done, then we'll go ahead and start applying our markers or pencil, whatever I'm gonna be using. But yeah, so this is really cool drawing, and I've been drawing lately, but I'm liking it. So just go ahead and enjoy the process. And if you like the video, leave me a comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload new content. So yeah, thank you for being here. I will see you at the end of this video, and I'll show you the final result. So here it is, guys. I hope that you did like it. You liked and enjoyed watching my process. Let me know by commenting, and also please go on my website that I'm gonna link up here. And again, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. God bless. Bye, my friends.